Hi, so I'm Janani. This is our demo for Graduate Housing app. So we wanted to go with this app because when we were coming in for our graduate studies, we wanted to find safe, affordable housing, off-campus options. So and we could not find any one particular option, be it Zillow or any other housing apps, which were getting us the housing near. Any particular university. So we wanted to make our app a go-to spot for any incoming graduate students who could actually go and search for their housing options. So let's assume a scenario where a student has admits from Arizona State University and UIUC, just for an example. So let's see what are the options, housing options that are available for both the universities, and let's see how he goes about with making an option between these universities based on the housing that's available. I'll start here. Okay, so let's first go about with the Arizona State University, and assume the student is looking for 1 to 3 bath options, 0 to 3 bath options within the radius of 10 miles and within the price range of 0 to maybe 5,000. So this is the map view, so which will basically get him the universities, which will be focused to have the university at the center, and these are all the housing options that he's getting from the app. So we are fetching all these properties information from our Realtor API, and we got this university and lat long information. We scraped out this information. It was not readily available for us, so we scraped out this information from a website to get the corresponding lat long options for each and every university. So as you can see, the university is being highlighted here with the properties over here. So this is basically the property 1255 on university, and you can see all the basic information for this university, for this property, such as price, square feet, bed, bath, and all that. So this is from the Realtor API, and we also wanted to give some insights on the safety indexes on that particular locality of the property, and how accessible the place is. So we wanted to give information on the transit score and the walk score as well. So this particular crime index and safety index, we scraped out this information from a Kaggle data set, and the transit score and the walk score was also from another Kaggle data set. So based on when you select one particular property, this will again show up recommendations on the most popularly rated restaurants and schools. So these restaurants were basically obtained from our recommendation engine using machine learning, which was basically mining our Kaggle data set, ELP Kaggle data set. So the same goes with schools as well. So these are the restaurant recommendations along with the ratings from the Kaggle dataset, which has been mined, which has been obtained from the machine learning applications, and all this basic information about the property, such as property rank, square feet, what is the listing source, any other information basically, such as all these utilities are basically pulled up from Realtor APIs. We also wanted to put up one other special information on the elementary school recommendations, because we felt this would be useful for any students, be it PhD students or anyone who had kids. We felt like the elementary schools along with this ratings would basically help them in making a sound informed decision. So on selecting a card, basically, which is this one, selecting a property, it will again pop up, it will show what are the schools and point out those schools in the map, and the restaurants as well in the map. So if you go ahead and check here, so it has Four Peaks Brewing Company, and So this is the restaurant recommendation from Yelp, which has been rated 4. So when you go ahead and check all these other universities, or you know see, this is a school which has been pointed out from this new uh, arts and middle school. So these are the recommendations that are obtained from the Kaggle data set. uh, and So we can also see these are the other properties. So I'm going ahead and Parkside. So what are the restaurants and recommendations around these ones? So the next is, so this is the basic thing, and we've integrated Google Maps API with the information window showing all the critical information we felt would be useful for the students in making a decision. And we also wanted to present all the ratings and of all the recommendations in our card view. So let's go ahead and check UC's properties. And my budget is going to be the same for the student. So let's see what it looks like for the other universities with respect to the recommendations and all that. So this is the UIUC, and these are the properties for the UIUZ. And so when I select a property over here, so this is the property that I've got here. Again, the card view has all the critical information like crime index and safety index. And so this has the recommendations such as Silverview. So these are the highly rated restaurants from Yelp. So when you go ahead and check these, see, this is the Crepe Cafe is here. And so yeah, if you go ahead and check these, yeah, so yeah, these are the recommendations from Yelp data set. So next is the Zorbas takeout delivery. So the Zorbas is present here, which has been rated 4. So yeah, and the same goes with the schools as well. So the schools are highlighted with this little icon here. So yeah, that is our demo for our application as such. So yeah, thank you.